Welcome to AI SmartTalk. Before we create your first assistant, let's spend a couple of minutes on the basics: language, signing up, signing in, and theming the interface. First, the public site is in many languages. We open the language picker, pick French, the whole landing reloads instantly. Pick English, we are back. Choose whichever matches the customers you serve. Ready to start? Click the Start Free button. We land on the login page, email and password, or single sign-on with Google. We will go with Google. Sign in with Google. One click, we pick our work account, and yes, we blur this part out. Privacy first. Authenticated, we land on the admin home with the assistants we already own ready to go. Last basic. Theme. From the navbar, we click the toggle. The whole interface snaps to dark mode, easier on the eyes for late-night setup work. Click again, back to light. Default is system, which follows your OS preference. That is the AI SmartTalk basics. You are ready for tutorial 1, creating your first AI assistant. See you there.